Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the functional regions of the cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex consists of 4 lobes. We have the frontal lobe anteriorly. This is the frontal lobe in red and brown. The parietal lobe in blue and purple. The temporal lobe on the lateral aspect of the brain. And the occipital lobe on the posterior aspect of the brain closer to the cerebellum. The central sulcus is an important landmark on the cerebral cortex. It separates the frontal lobe from the parietal lobe. The gyrus anterior to the central sulcus is the precentral gyrus, and this is the primary motor area. So in red is the primary motor area. Anterior to the primary motor area is the premotor area in bright orange. Anterior to the premotor area is the prefrontal area in brown. On the frontal lobe, we have the Broca's area. Right here, the Broca's area. We have one Broca's area on the cerebral cortex, on the dominant cerebral hemisphere, usually the left. The Broca's area gives us the ability to articulate the speech because it coordinates the motor movement of muscles involved in speech production. On the parietal lobe, we have this gyrus. This is the postcentral gyrus. The postcentral gyrus is the primary somatosensory area. Posterior to it is the somatosensory association area in purple. At the base of the primary somatosensory area on the parietal lobe, this area in dark green, this is the primary taste area right here. On the occipital lobe, right here, we have this area in bright yellow. This is the primary visual cortex. The area around it is the visual association area. On the temporal lobe, which is marked by the lateral sulcus, we have this area in light green. This is the primary auditory area. Around it, we have the auditory association area. Also, on the temporal lobe, we have the Wernicke's area. The Wernicke's area gives us the ability to comprehend and understand the meaning of words. That's why it is located near the primary auditory area. We only have one Wernicke's area on the cerebral cortex, on the dominant cerebral hemisphere, which is usually the left.